Hi guys, my name's Kylie and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nikko, World Heritage Place full of temples and shrines. Welcome to Lake Chuzenchi. So it has a surface area of about 11.5 kilometers square and it's 1,269 meters above sea level and has a depth of 161.5 meters at its deepest. So while majority of the surrounding shores around Lake Chuzenchi are left in its natural state, the North Shore has many souvenir shops and Japanese-style hotels called ryokan. Up north of Lake Chuzenchi is a public footbath, so where you can go and place your feet in some nice warm water, and since it was a freezing cold day, it was so lovely and warm. Welcome to Kegon Falls, otherwise known as Kegon no Taki in Japanese. It is a spectacular 97-meter drop of water, and it is said that around 3 tons of water flow through the falls every second. There are smaller falls surrounding Kegon which are called the 12 Falls, otherwise known as in Japanese as Juni Taki. Welcome to Mossburger, a fast food restaurant like in Japan. So today I went to watch my second cousin's sons play volleyball. So they were number 4 and number 7. So number 4 is the oldest, and he is the captain of the volleyball team, and then the youngest one of them is number 7, and he was in the centre. So the oldest one was actually the one serving the ball over in the video. So after that, I went out with my other second cousin, who is their auntie, and we went across the road from my grandparents' house to the ramen shop for lunch, which was delicious. At the moment I'm walking towards one of my family and I's favourite little shops in Sunil, and we call it Auntie Potato. I don't know how many times we've come to this shop, but it's so delicious. Bye! Goodies emo fry, which is really big in Sunil. It's even on their town mascot, which is Sunil. And the lady there even remembered me, even though we don't come very often, but she still remembered me. So this is emo fry. What it is just pumpkin dipped in breadcrumbs and then fried, and then it has tonkatsu sauce on top, and which I had for both lunch and dinner. So for today's little adventure was gardening. So we've got pumpkin here, we've got tomato and sugar snap peas in here with beautiful purple flowers. We've got cucumber and more sugar snap peas in this one. And then in this pot here we've got cucumber, some more flowers and zucchini in this one. And then in that one there we've got rock melon. So just so they can eat some of their own homegrown food. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see more travel vlogs of Japan, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!